Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we will be looking at the best strategies for selling the drop down candles in Crash 500. Okay, let me quickly say this. This is also applicable to Crash 1000 so that you will understand what we're talking about. Then, for Crash, the drop down candles. What I mean by the drop down candles, it also means the spikes in Crash. Okay, so many people call it spikes. I believe spikes should be used for boom, but let me use it the way we all know it. Okay, that is the spikes in Crash. That is what we will be looking at in today's video. And before we go fully into that, I would like to let you know that this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel. I've got lots and lots of training videos right here that can get you started immediately. All you just need to do is just to watch and make sure you understand everything explained in the videos, and also make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it on your real account. This is very important, guys. We don't want you to lose your money. We want you to make money with these strategies. That is why we all need to practice whatever strategies we are using for the very first time on our demo account before going to our real account, guys. Okay, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will also be dropping them in the description box below this video. So quickly, let's go straight to the trading platform to see what is happening right there. Okay, before going further into this, I want you to take note of this. Okay, when we are talking of the drop down candles and Crash, okay, then definitely you should know that in most cases we don't really know the exact time it will happen, but we can say that it can happen around this period. So that period is what we need to know, and in order for us to say that specifically, then we need to know the trend of the market. That is the first thing. Then we need to know our support and resistance level, which will also help us to know where we should place our order so that we will be expecting the spikes. Okay, so the first thing I want us to do is, okay, all these might be very difficult for us to know if we don't know if we are not very good with our TA. So in order for you to solve the problem of you trying to learn how to analyze the markets effectively, I always advise newbies to try out some custom made indicators that will make this very easy for them. So I will be using this custom made indicator called QDC Scraper indicator. Okay, it has everything that I am looking for. It is giving me the trends. Okay, these are the trend days, and the 4MA candles here is also a trend trading candle. Okay, so also it gives me the support and resistance level. Then it also gives me my entry points, which are the arrows, and my exit point too, which are also the arrows. So depending on the one I'm trading, so that is how I always have it solved for you guys. Then let me quickly say this. In order to trade these assets successfully, you need to get used to red. Okay, because when you are trading spikes or the drop down candles and Crash, then you need to get used to red, because you can never say if you place in your order right now that it's going to crash down immediately. Okay, it can take a minute or two before it crash down, okay, before it will start putting you in profit. But the most important thing is for you to know the exact trend to go into it. Okay, so when is the exact trend to trade Crash 500 or Crash 1000, to trade the drop down candles there or to trade the spikes there? The best time to go into it is when the trend is on downtrend. Okay, that is when you can make some profit, some good profit right from there. So when is the downtrend? We can see it right here. that the market is red right here, and right here it was green. When it was green, you can see it going up. Then when it was red, you can see it coming down. And the good thing, one beautiful thing about this indicator is that the trend always show us a notification before it will start. Okay, once you see the arrow right here, then you should know that the trend is getting ready. I mean, you should be getting prepared for the change in trend. Okay, it might not be fully effected immediately, but it will definitely go back into that trend if you are smart with it. Okay, all you just need to do is just to wait for the drop, I mean for the red arrow to show up here and place your order. Or once it get to this verified support level, you can just place your order around there. Okay, so you place your order right here, and once you place your order right here, I'll always advise you to use the smallest lot size at that particular point, so that your trading capital will be able to control. The reason is, in most cases, it does not go straight into that new trend immediately. Okay, it will be fighting some obstacles around here before it will go into it immediately. But once it breaks out from those obstacles, then you see it going down immediately. But right here, it didn't give us so much problem. You can see it's crashed down a bit and went back up by 10 minutes candles, because this is 5-minute time frame. Then it crashed down again. So that is another thing you take notes of. Okay, if you are going to do this, you make sure you have your setup on 5 minutes or on 15 minutes. It gives you more confidence to trade successfully. Okay, so check it out. It started crashing right from here, went back up, but when it got to that resistance level, the tip of it, you can see that it's crashed down again to the 4 MA candles. It tried to recover a bit but couldn't, and crashed down below the 4 MA candles. And you know what it means when it crashes down below the 4 MA candles. It keeps on crashing till it gets to this level where it consolidated a bit and went back up again to this resistance level and crashed down again. You can see this is where the trend came to an end. Like I always tell you, there will always be a pullback whenever a certain trend is on. Okay, you don't expect that trend to keep on going for long. Okay, once it goes in that direction for a while, then you should expect a pullback. That is what happened there. It went down to this level. There is a pullback here, even though it was a small one. Came down again, then gave us another pullback. But the issue is, this is what I want you to know. How do you know if it is a pullback or if it is a total reversal in price action? That is why this is a custom made indicator. It will help you to know that easily. How do you know that? You know that by checking the trend there. Is it still red or it has changed to green? If it is still red, then definitely it will definitely go back on a downtrend and end that downtrend at that particular point. Okay, you can see that it came down again to this level, and that is when it came to, I mean, the trend came to an end on this support zone. Okay, on this support zone. So that is how amazing it is. So there's going to be a pullback each time you are in a particular trend. I think I'm going to shoot a video on that, okay, so that you will understand the difference between a pullback and a total reversal in price action. Okay, how do you know when it is going to be a pullback or when it is going to be a total reversal in price action? So I'll put that in my plan so that you can I can create a video training or a training video on that, so that you will understand how to handle the two situations. So this is how to go about it. Can you imagine being in the market right from here and closing your trade somewhere around here? Okay, that is amazing, right? Remember, this is 5-minute time frame. This can take a whole day, right? It can take a whole day, but you don't need to stay till the end of the trend. Okay, if you are cool enough with the profit you have made. Okay, so you don't need to trade till the end of the trend. This is 154 bars. We can do some calculations right there. 154 bars, and that is 5-minute time frame. Okay, that will be 154 times 5. Okay, that is, sorry, 154 times 5 to know the number of minutes spent. That is 770 minutes. Now divided by 60. Divided by 60 to know the number of hours taken. That is 12 hours. Okay, almost okay, about almost 13 hours or thereabouts. Okay, that is amazing. Okay, more than half of a day. That is amazing. So you guys can see what I'm talking about. If you know your way about this, you will always milk the market successfully. So guys, I'll be stopping right here. This is what I want you guys to do. This is what I want you guys to do. It is very easy, most especially if you are having this setup on your chart. Okay, go back to your demo account. I'll forget about everything that you have known before. Go back to your demo account, have this set up on your demo account, and try to practice what I have highlighted in today's training throughout today. Let's see how much profit you're going to make at the end of the trading session, and you can just send your screenshots to me. Let's discuss, let's have conversation, let's see how you have been able to perform with this. If you are able to do this very well, then you are good to go. Okay, you can go on your live account as a then. Okay, so I'll be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right now. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.